This is one of the most basic tenets of business. You have to convince people they need whatever you sell. You don't talk about the product. You talk about their need. Sell me this pen. Have you ever heard that before? Sell me this pen. People go, oh, well, this pen is blue. It's made of plastic and it's durable. No, that's not how you sell a pen. Sell me this pen. You need to be able to write things down. But I've already got a pen. Yeah, but now you can write more things down because you have another pen. How are you gonna write down all your ideas? Think of all the things you can write down. You can write the next novel. You can become J.K. Rowling. You can become a billionaire if you had a pen. You don't have a pen. You need a pen to write things down. Sell the need. Don't sell the product. It's blue and it's plastic. As opposed to you can become J.K. Rowling because you need a pen to write things down. You have to sell the need at all times. Most people don't sell the need. So let's look at my products compared to other dorks who sell stuff online. So you'll see other dorks who go, my 18-page ebook includes blah, 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 blah. Have I ever told you how many pages are in my books? It's the need that sells, not the product. So whatever you're selling, it doesn't matter what it is, sell the need. All the times you'll catch yourself not selling the need. Even a coffee shop. This is the biggest mistake things like coffee shops make. They don't sell the need. A coffee shop will sell you on price. They'll try and do it nice and cheap because they have lots of competition. They'll have a nice looking coffee shop. They'll have like a good, nice chairs that'll look nice, whatever. But they very rarely sell the need. If I had a coffee shop, I would have a massive sign outside saying, tired, ? Nice warm coffee. That's selling the need. I don't say, Arabica beans in a cup. Who gives a shit? Care about fucking beans? Sell the need at all times. Never take your eye off that prize. If you're still paying attention, which you motherfucking should be, write that down. Already, all the information I've given you should be formulating how you view business. You might have to watch this university 3 or 4 times. But at the core of it, always you have money in. That's your business. The rest is bullshit. Everything has to feed back to this. Selling the need will feed back to this. People buy things they need. They sometimes buy things they want, but they always buy things they need. That's why they have to need what you sell. So find a way to make them need it.